Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata in London. I'm here with Kay Thaney. Kay, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Doing well. So you're the co-chair here, and you've been to Strata in New York and probably California as well. Are the conversations different here, or are there different themes and tones in this conference?
There are. We tried really intently to try to make this a program that was relevant to the level of awareness in London and also in Europe, which is different than in the States, but also to wrap around various narratives that would really mean something to the people here. So you'll notice that there are sessions that talk about some of the same technical content that we would have in the US, but wrapped around evidence around Tesco's, one of the main supermarkets here, or the London Olympics and things like that. So we've tried to give it a bit of a spin and also to match the level of conversation over here, because it's not exactly the same.
Excellent. So do you get that from the conversations you're having in here with people as well? Are they a different audience?
It's not necessarily a different audience, because we still find that same mix of practitioners with policymakers, people from the government, also research scientists as well. But it's just the community hasn't necessarily fully come together in the same way that it has in the U.S., which started because the U.S. event was earlier there. So we're hoping to catalyze the conversation here and to start to bring together these communities in the same sort of way that we've seen with others.
So can you talk a little bit about what digital science does, and what your role in the data space is?
Sure. So digital science, we're a technology company, but we focus on creating tools and also incubating and investing in companies that are looking to make scientific research more efficient. And so whether it's better ways of managing the information in your lab for students on the research side, or better ways of sharing your data and changing those practices so that we can have better reproducible research and better return on investment in that space. We're looking at ways of bridging all of those little bits to try to make scientific research move a little bit faster and to modernize it a bit.
Scientific research, is there any hope for government that we could do something there too?
We're hoping to. There are some of our tools that are transferable outside of research. Most of us within the company that come from a scientific background are from the life sciences world, but it doesn't mean that our tools are always inapplicable to other domains.
And so where do you see digital science going in the future?
I'd like to see it to actually start to make a difference and change the practices. So, as most technology companies are aware of, the social issue and actually how people interact with that, and their actual awarenesses and changing the behaviors is really that hard nut to crack. And in scientific research, we're battling some of the same behaviors that are around since publications started in the 1600s.
Ouch. Ouch. Yes.
So it takes quite a bit of work, but we're hoping if we can create some of the tools and hit that audience right and really make it a researcher-focused tool, so if we really meet their needs, it will help tip the balance.
Is this an audience that knows they need it as well? I mean, do they understand the benefits of using a tool like?
I think we're starting to hit a scale issue, especially when it comes to all of the various bits of research that are coming together. And even if you're looking at, say, a biological lab, there's tremendous cost associated and tremendous waiting times and funding grants, and also with some of the mandates that are coming through that are pushing people to be slightly more documented in what they do. And so there's a call for more reproducible research and better management of this information, so there's less waste. And the tools need to now start matching that need so that we can start to help in that regard.
Excellent.